just want y'all to hear how they're going crazy right now. Knight of Wands. Get ready for the fire. That's double fire. Be a little cautious, but know that every step you're taking is divinely guided right now. You are so good, just like that light shining in the back. That channel, ready to blaze through. Make a whole way through. The Knight is double fire, the Knight of Wands. So much light, so much desire. This speaks on passion and creativity. Even down to the horses wrapped in like an orange and red. Such a valor. Speaking to the chakras of like the root. You can see a bit of orange, your sacral. And then he's burning yellow. For your solar plexus, your willpower. Trailblazing. He's running on top of fire. Once again, burning desires. Wood in his hand, but the stick's not burning. Showing me that there's one magic, but that it's grounded. This fire is deep grounded. The fastest moving flame, though. Out of all the nights, he's the quickest. No games, no pain. Just remain present, feel into it. For those who don't know, an up-pointing triangle just like this stands for fire. That's your burning passion and desire, and he has too. But so do you. Feel the mirrored reflection. If your hair is for divine resonance, no other reason. Whether that's to tell you to continue to be here or not to show up in the future. Either way, all divine destiny. Stay on the path. The journey's a blessing. We remember, not learn, lots of lessons. Which ones do we take? And like Tekken, you feel what I'm kicking? Spitting, ripping, like flipping, like Eddie, the Brazilian. Capoeira. Connecting, divine, chameleon. Direction. That's fire. That's creativity. That's a lot of it. Just moving from out of nowhere, but you can embody anything that you can think to be. Any element of your creativity, it can all switch. It could all flip in a moment, in a second, but only through divine connection. It's all part of the play, all part of the life, all part of the wave. Once again, I'm telling you, it's creativity. You don't know. You can't grasp it still. See, we are everything. You are everything. I am. What you put after is you. That's your incantation. That's how we're. I'm gonna love and leave you.